Hi everyone, I am Nicole Leininger with Sotheby's International Realty. And today I am proud to present to you my newest listing at 12900 Vermillion Crossing Court in the desirable neighborhood of Mirabella in Huntersville. This absolutely stunning home has that modern farmhouse feel throughout. Come on, let's go check it out. Thank you for joining me today and touring this absolutely gorgeous home in Mirabella. Contact me today to set up your private showing. Again, I'm Nicole Leininger with Sotheby's International Realty.